Hello, right, today the Income Fund. Now, many of you will know we've already got an Income Fund. And of course, in these days of difficult returns, people are desperate to try and improve their income. So we've been looking at ways in which we can try and improve this fund. And with me today, I'm with Chris Darbyshire, our Chief Investment Officer. Chris, what have you done to try and improve our Income Fund?
So we've redesigned the Income Fund so that we are going to implement the positions mainly now using passive vehicles.
So it's like our AAP, our Asset Allocated Passive range.
Almost exactly the same as the AAP approach. It probably won't be quite as passive as AAP because it's quite difficult to get passive options in some of the high yield asset classes that we want to target.
But you've been able to apply some of those particular techniques you used in the other AAP in this one.
We've used stock baskets,
right.
We've used bond baskets, and we'll use the smart passive techniques as well to try and tilt the baskets towards higher yielding stocks.
And has this impacted on the yield at all, or is it going to be doing roughly the same as the previous one?
It's roughly the same. It's a tad higher, about 3.7% as we've got it down on paper at the moment.
And the risk profile stays roughly the same?
It stays the same. It stays between the moderately cautious and the balanced funds.
Okay, so presumably therefore the only real thing that's changed is actually the overall charges.
Yep, the charges have come down quite a lot. We think the OCF going forwards will be about 85 bits, maybe between 80 and 90 bits as the fund changes over time.
Whereas prior to that, that would have been probably about 1.3% or something like that. So the AMC itself comes down from 1% down to 0.5%. It's a tangible saving for people, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And in this field where there isn't a lot of low-cost income funds available, we think it's quite a unique product.
Well, I've looked around the market. I can't see an income fund which is structured in this way, certainly not in the retail market at all. So basically, you'll be able to use, hopefully, the skills and benefits for the greater AAP range down into this income fund then.
Very much so. That is the idea.
Okay. Well, I hope you'll find that of interest. I think that's providing real value to the underlying client and hopefully better value for yourselves as well by using these skills, the institutional skills and techniques through to the retail market. Thanks for your time, and may I wish you well with your investing.